Welcome to this video. In this session, I will show you how to use internal mapping for an inbound interface in SKYVVA. We will learn how to use internal mapping for an inbound interface in SKYVVA. Internal mapping allows you to manually map incoming source fields to Salesforce fields directly inside the interface. This is useful when source field names do not match Salesforce fields or when you need simple transformations. Postman is used only as an example. Any client, such as the SKYVVA Agent, data loader, or other tools, can send data to the inbound interface. Create new metadata or use existing metadata. Click on the metadata name. Go to your repositories. Find the Open Editor button and click on it. Choose a file type, JSON. Input your JSON payload. Enter a root name. Then click on the Save button. After we create the message type successfully, go to the integration list. Create a new integration or an existing one. Click on your integration name.
Click on the Interface tab.
Click the New Interface button. Enter the interface name. Select Source Name Account. Operation Upsert. Direction Inbound. Select Status Deploy. Interface API version v3. Select the metadata provider name. Select the repository name. Select the message type name. Then click the Save button. Go to the Interface Detail page. Find the section, Inbound Setup. Click on the Edit button. External Mapping. Use when the file already matches Salesforce fields and structure. No field mapping is needed, flat, or only simple node-to-node mapping, hierarchical. Faster and easier to maintain. Internal Mapping. Use when the payload does not match Salesforce fields or structure. Requires mapping and transformation. Useful for complex or differently structured data. By default, the interface uses internal mapping. You can enable or disable it based on your requirements. Enable internal mapping. After configuration, click Save. Find the Open Mapping button. Do mapping from source field to target field. Do mapping of root account underscore JSON to root account Salesforce. Then mapping field to field. When we choose Operation Upsert on the interface, we need to use the external ID. Check the external ID, name. Then click the Save Mapping button. Go to Postman to review the payload structure. We use the integrate_v4_JSON request as an example to import data into Salesforce. Here, the JSON payload is flat and contains only account data. The field names and structure do not match Salesforce. Next, click the Send button. When SKYVVA returns a 200 OK, the inbound message is received and processed successfully. Click on the Message Monitor tab. Scroll down and click the Apply Filter button to verify the message status. The message is complete and the record has been created. Click to view data in Salesforce. The flat account data was imported from Postman. Internal mapping is done inside the SKYVVA interface. Best for inbound data, where fields differ from Salesforce. You can map fields manually and apply simple transformations. Proper mapping ensures accurate data import into Salesforce. Makes small or specific integrations easy to manage. As a result, any client can efficiently send data to Salesforce using this feature.